GXT flowchart. This will help you go from an idea all the way down to entry. So let's start with the idea and walk through the left side of the flowchart. So the idea, daily profile away from a 1 hour, 4 hour key level that forms a higher low today. So all you're going to ask yourself, has a relevant level or reversal point been hit to create the low of day or high of day? If yes, now you're going to ask yourself, does the current daily candle support expansion away from that low of day or key level, right? So if no, then we must have a valid, framework for trading a reversal candle, right? If there isn't, then we skip the day. So let's say there is framework for trading a reversal. Now we go to yes, right? Is the 4 hour expansion candle aligned? If no, then we have to simply wait for a 4 hour open, right? So this is what this shows over here. If you're not aligned with a 4 hour expansion, we simply wait for a new open. Once a new open has occurred, then we go back over here, right? We ask ourselves the same thing. So since it is aligned now, all we need to see is a valid fractal model entry to get on side. Once we have a valid fractal model present, then we can look to trade, right? So let's go back over here. Let's say the daily candle is aligned, right? Then we ask ourselves again, does the 4 hour candle support expansion? If it does not, then we simply wait for open. Let's say we waited for open. Okay, now we're back here. Now we just need a fractal model entry, right, to align ourselves with the 4 hour candle. Once we have that, then we are good to trade, right? So let's say when we hop on the charts, a key level hasn't been hit or a reversal hasn't occurred from a relevant level, right? This is no, right? So we must wait for a key level to be reached. If a key level does not, get reached, or we don't reverse from a key level, then we simply skip the day, right? So let's say a key level has been hit. We're simply going to ask ourselves, does the current 4 hour candle that we're trading within support expansion? If no, we're going to wait for the open. Okay, we wait for the open. We come back to here. Is there a valid fractal model to trade away from aligned with the 4 hour expansion candle? If yes, then we can look for entries.